Yeah, so we are discussing about the correlation. So today also I'll go with the same topic only. So correlation is very important. Okay, so practice from your end as well. So daily I'm telling the same thing only. Okay. Yeah, so you know how to open the J meter, right? So this is the J meter for the recording purpose. Always what we need to do. So we need to add the HTTP test script recorder that will be there in the non-test elements. Okay, add it, and also add the view results tree to the test script recorder. It will act like a recording time log. So rename it as a recording time log. Rec time log. Just I'm giving like recording time log. Okay. And without having the thread group, you cannot execute the, your test. So therefore, there should be a minimum one thread group. So therefore, I am adding a thread group here. Okay. So right click on the test plan, mouse around to the add. Here you can see threads and thread group. Just add that thread group over here. Okay. So next, go to test script recorder. So controller, you can change it as a test plan thread group. Okay, so target controller, select it as a test plan thread group, and grouping, so we are choosing put each group in a new transaction controller. Okay, so next, so just click on the start button, but before going to click on the start button, so launch your browser. Okay, so launch your browser. It is taking time to load. Yeah, so let me explain about the today's website. So today I'm going to explain about the Blaze demo website. Okay, so in the interview, the people they are asking you to record one script on Blaze meter. Okay, same. Okay, so same URL they will give you, blazedemo.com. Okay, or else also they can give you. Okay, so click on the enter button. See, whenever you have launched your blazedemo.com, here you can see welcome to the simple travel agency. You can see, and also you can see choose your departure, or choose your destination cities and all. Under the departure city, you can see one drop down. Click on the drop down. Here you can see many inputs. You can see Paris, Philadelphia, Boston, Portland, San Diego, something. And also from the destination, also you can see many. Okay. So what I am doing here, I am selecting the departure city as like Portland. Okay. You can select anything. So choose your destination city as London. So I am traveling from Portland to London, and now I am checking for the available flights. Click on the find flights so that you can see what and all the flights are available from to travel from Portland to London. So ఏమేం ఫ్లైట్స్ ఉన్నాయి, those details you can see here. Okay, see flight number, airline name, okay, departure time, okay, arrival time, what is the cost of that particular flight seat. Okay, so that information you can see here. Okay, మీకు ఏ ఫ్లైట్ కావాలంటే you can choose any one of the flight over here. I am choosing this flight number 43. Choose this flight. Okay, so now that will be redirected to the page where you can book your ticket and all. Okay, so enter your name. Okay, so enter your name, like I'm giving like Madhu. Okay, address you can give anything. Okay, so city you can give anything. Okay, so state you can give anything. So like that you can give the things and all. Okay, 516268 something you can give. Okay, so card type, here you can see this is the drop down. Okay, so whatever the inputs available from the drop down, so you need to select. Okay, so card కొందరి వీసా టైప్ ఉంటుంది, అమెరికన్ ఉంటుంది. ఓకే, సో రూపీ ఉంటుంది, మాస్టర్ ఉంటుంది. సో యూ హ్యావ్ సీన్ మెనీ కార్డ్స్ టైప్స్. సో మీరు మీ దగ్గర ఏటీఎం ఉంటే, సో ఏటీఎం కార్డ్స్ ఆర్ డెబిట్ కార్డ్ ఆర్ క్రెడిట్ కార్డ్ వాట్ ఎవర్ ఏదైనా ఉంటే మీరు చూడండి దానిపైన. సో దేర్ విల్ బి ఏ వీసా, దేర్ విల్ బి ఏ మాస్టర్ కార్డ్, రూపీ. సో లైక్ దట్, సో మెనీ టైప్స్ ఆఫ్ కార్డ్స్ విల్ బి దేర్ ఇన్ ద రియల్ టైమ్. ఓకే, సో మీరు ఇక్కడ వీళ్ళు ఏది ఇచ్చారో వాటిని సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకోండి. ఓకే, select any one of the card type from here and enter your card number, something 16 digit number you can enter, month and year you can give, expiry date and expiry year, name of the card. So if you want to give you can give, or else you can ignore it and click on the purchase flight. So that's all. Okay, so see here, so thank you for your purchase today. Okay, I have purchased one ticket. Okay, so this is the flow. so which we are capturing. Okay, so that I have been explained over here. Okay, so the simple I can take only launch and choose flight, those two only I can take. Okay, so blazedemo.com. Okay, instead of going with long flow, let me go with simple flow. I have launched my application and I am choosing the departure city Portland, destination city London. I'm going to click on the find flights. Yeah, that's all. So only I'll take two flights and we'll try. Okay, what and all things we can correlate and all. Okay, so let me go to our JMeter. Okay, so from here you can click on the start to initiate your recording. Okay, click on OK and you can see pop-up window, right? So now go to your browser. Okay, so in the browser, okay, before launching your application, so enter T01 underscore launch. So that is the transaction name which we are doing, and your application is Blaze Demo. So enter that URL over here, blazedemo.com. Okay, so launching is done. So next what we are doing here, so now I am going to choose the departure city, destination city, and I am going to click on the find flights. So next one is T02 underscore find flights. Okay, so that is the transaction name, FLIGHTS. Okay, so choose the departure city as Portland. You can choose anything. So every time I am choosing those two only. If you want to choose anything, you can choose. Click on the find flights. Okay, that is the second transaction. If you want to choose this flight, yes, you can choose the flight as well. Okay, so let me give the transaction, one more transaction, T03 underscore choose flight. Okay, so choose flight. Okay, just click on any one of the button. So that's all, choose flight. I'm not booking and all, just I'm stopping my recording. Click on the stop. Now go to your JMeter and see, okay, whether you have been recorded. The things are not. See, we have been recorded. Okay, so once you have recorded, so let's see, let's verify this recording time log. So recording time log is generated or not. See, so we got the recording time log over here. Okay, so now the next thing is we need to start filtering our script. Okay, so enduku 3 days nunchi I am telling the same thing only by taking the different applications means, so understand the importance of this topic. సో రేపొద్దున మీకు ఫిల్టరింగ్ చేయడము రికార్డ్ చేయడం ఇవన్నీ రాలేదంటే యూ కెనాట్ డూ ఎనీథింగ్ ఓకే ఇన్ రియల్ టైమ్. ఓకే, సో లిజన్ కేర్ఫుల్లీ వాట్ ఐఎమ్ టెల్లింగ్. ఓకే, సో click on the each and every request and verify so what is the server name present over here. So our server name is blazedemo.com. Here you can see blazedemo.com is our server name. So based on that we need to filter our scripts. Okay, so content signature, content signature, content signature, content signature, so this is not required, so you can delete this. Okay, next one, submit something, incoming telemetry something, image get pocket. Okay, so image get pocket, so under this transaction controller whatever the requests are there all are the junk, so therefore I have clicked on that and I have deleted that one. Okay, so next T01, so here you can see image get pocket cdn mozilla.net, this is not required, you can delete that. So next, go to next transaction, here also you can see image get pocket, so you can delete this one. Check cheyandi, okay, direct ga delete cheyadandi, check each and everything. Okay, image get pocket, okay, you can delete this. Okay, next launch. Okay, so click on the launch, detect portal not required, detect portal not required. Okay, detect portal, see first 3 requests are not required, you can delete those 3. So next, blaze demo, incoming telemetry, incoming telemetry, incoming telemetry, see these 3 are not required, so you can delete. Okay, next click on the find flights, blaze demo, yes it is required. So next T03, okay, so get pocket, contile services, see contile services and get pocket, so these 2 are not required. So ఇవి రెండు దీంట్లో ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి ఇవి రెండు నాట్ రిక్వైర్డ్ కాబట్టి యూ కెన్ క్లిక్ ఆన్ దిస్ వన్ అండ్ యూ కెన్ క్లిక్ ఆన్ ద delete and delete it. Okay, so see this is the Firefox setting services mozilla.com, so this request is not required and this particular transaction controller only one request is there. That is also not required for us. So therefore what you can do, you can click on this transaction controller and you can delete it. Okay. And choose flight. So click on the choose flight, Blaze demo. So next, Contile images services. This you can not required, you can delete it. Yeah. So this is how you can filter your scripts. Okay. See, launching that is done. So then we have clicked on the find flights, then we have clicked on the choose flight. Okay. See, whatever you have recorded, so those things will be present in the script. Okay. ఎలా చెప్తున్నారు మీరు అంటే let me show you. Okay. This is launch, right? So launching is done. So next is click on the find flights. See, while recording, I have chosen Portland and London. From where to where I am traveling? From the Portland to London. So whatever I have chosen while recording, the same names have been captured. Okay. ఏవైతే నేను నేమ్స్ ఇచ్చానో చూస్ చేసుకున్నానో సిటీ అండ్ డిపార్చర్ సిటీ అండ్ డెస్టినేషన్ సిటీస్, సో దోస్ టూ హ్యావ్ బీన్ క్యాప్చర్డ్ బై యువర్ JMeter and those two are present over here. See, from port to port. Okay. So click on the choose flight. So whenever I am clicking on the choose flight, at the time I have clicked on the 43, right? So I have clicked on the 43. This flight I have been chosen. Okay. What is the flight number? 43. What is the airline? Virginia. Okay. So Virgin America. So what is the departure time? 1:43. Arrival time 9:45. Price 472. The same thing you can see here. Okay. Flight number, price, airline, from okay to the same things you can see here. Okay. See, whatever you are doing here in the browser, so the same things and all can be captured, and that we are seeing in the where in the script in the JMeter. Okay. So now validate your script. How you can validate? So right click on the thread group, add the listener. Okay. View results tree you can add. So this will act like a reply time log. If you want, I will mention over here. Okay. So reply time log. Okay. So what you can do now, you just click on the play button and see, okay, what is happening over there. So click on the play button. Okay. It is asking to save the test plan. I am clicking on no. Okay. You can save it by clicking on save. Okay. See, the test is executed. So now click on the request number 16. Okay. Click on the response data. Click on the response body. Instead of text, go with browser. Okay. Go with browser. It is loading. Yeah, it is loaded. See, whenever you have launched your Blaze demo, this is the thing you can see. Welcome to the simple travel agency. Choose your departure city, choose your destination city, something you can see. If you want to verify the recording time log also, you can go and verify. So request number 16, right? Go to recording time log. On here you can search for the 16. Here you can see request number 16, T01 launch 16. Here also you can see T01 launch 16. Okay. So click on the response data, click on the response body, go with browser. Go with browser. Okay. Click on the response data, click on the response body. See, welcome to the simple travel agency. This is a simple site. You tested the Blaze meter something. Choose your departure city, choose your destination city. Same thing you are seeing here. So whatever you are, you while recording, whatever you are getting, the same thing you are getting in the reply time log as well. See, reply time log. Okay. Choose your departure city, choose your destination city, everything you are getting. So next click on the 20. Okay. This is the transaction controller name. Don't be confused. Okay. Whatever the number will be there, so that number request we need to consider. Click on the request number 20 and see the response what you are getting. See. So whenever you have been clicked on the find flights, let me show you. Okay, come back. See, I have chosen the Portland and London. Click on the find flights. So whenever you have been clicked on the find flights, you will be redirected to the page where you can see this many inputs like Portland to London. So whatever the flights are available, so that information you can see. You can see here Portland to London. Same information you can see. Whatever you are seeing here. Choose flight. Okay, so choose the flight number, airline, departure city, destination city, price. So everything you can see here. Okay. So now go to request number 20 in the recording time log. Go to recording time log and click on the request number 20. This is the request number 20 and see what you got over here. See, flights from Portland to London. The same thing you can see here. Okay, so next request number 24. Okay, click on the request number 24 and see your flight from TLV to SFV has been reserved, something it is showing. Okay, it is asking, okay, to enter the name, address, cities and all. Okay, so now go and verify in the recording time log as well. So click on the 24th request. So where is it? This is the 24th. See, your flight from TLV to SFO has been reserved. Okay, you can see the details and all here, name, address, city, those and all things you can enter. See, yeah, so రెండు వర్క్ అవుతున్నాయి ఇప్పుడు. ఓకే, సో వాట్ ఎవర్ రికార్డింగ్ టైమ్ లాగ్, సో రికార్డింగ్ టైమ్ లాగ్ వాట్ ఎవర్ విల్ బి దేర్, ద సేమ్ థింగ్ యు ఆర్ సీయింగ్ ఇన్ ద రిప్లై టైమ్ లాగ్ ఆల్సో. బట్ వై కొరిలేషన్ ఈజ్ రిక్వైర్డ్ నౌ? ఓకే, దట్ ఈస్ ద నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్. ఓకే, సి go here, go to your browser. Okay, so here you can see there are many inputs. Okay, real time మీరు రికార్డ్ చేసేటప్పుడు I have chosen the Portland here as a departure city, destination city I have chosen like a London. Okay, so Portland and London, those two are present over here in the script. You can see Portland and London. Okay, let us assume what we are doing here in the performance testing. You are preparing one script and you are iterating the script with n number of users. ఓకే, సేమ్ స్క్రిప్ట్ని మనం n నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ యూజర్స్కి వాడతాం. ఓకే, లైక్ 100 మంది అవ్వచ్చు, 1000 అవ్వచ్చు, 1,00,000 అవ్వచ్చు, వీ కెన్ యూజ్ ద సేమ్ స్క్రిప్ట్. ఓకే, అప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది? సో ఈచ్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీ యూజర్ హూ ఎవర్ ఎగ్జిక్యూటింగ్ దిస్ పర్టికులర్ స్క్రిప్ట్, సో దే విల్ ట్రావెల్ ఫ్రమ్ పోర్ట్లాండ్ టు లండన్ ఓన్లీ. మీరు 1000 మందితో టెస్ట్ చేస్తూ ఉంటే 1000 మంది పోర్ట్లాండ్ నుంచి లండన్కే వెళ్తారు. ఓకే, సో దట్ ఈస్ నాట్ రియలిస్టిక్ ఎన్విరాన్మెంట్. సో వై? బికాస్ సి 1000 మంది ఉన్నారంటే 1000 మందిలో ఇక్కడ ఉన్న ఇన్పుట్ ఏదైనా చూస్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. Okay, so they can travel from Paris to London, they can travel from Boston to London, they can travel from Portland to London, they can travel from San Diego to London. So like that multiple inputs they can give in the real time. సో ఇప్పుడు మీరున్నారు, నేనున్నాను. సో వీ వాంట్ టు ట్రావెల్ ఫ్రమ్ వన్ ప్లేస్ టు అనదర్ ప్లేస్. ఓకే, అందరం కడప దగ్గరకు వచ్చి కడప నుంచి హైదరాబాద్కి వెళ్తామా? లేదంటే అందరు కడపకు వచ్చి కడప నుంచి బెంగళూరుకి వెళ్తామా? నో. సో వీఆర్ హ్యావింగ్ మెనీ ఇన్పుట్స్ హియర్. ఓకే, మీరు టికెట్ బుక్ చేసుకునేటప్పుడు మీరు ఎక్కడి నుంచి ఎక్కడికి మూవ్ అవ్వాలనుకుంటున్నారు, సో దట్ ఇన్పుట్ యూ కెన్ చూజ్ ఓవర్ హియర్. ఓకే, సో మీరు ఇన్పుట్ చూజ్ చేసుకుంటారు. ఓకే, యు ఆర్ ట్రావెలింగ్ ఫ్రమ్ నెల్లూరు టు చెన్నై, సో యూ కెన్ గివ్ నెల్లూరు అండ్ డెస్టినేషన్ సిటీ యూ కెన్ గివ్ యాజ్ ఎ చెన్నై. I am traveling from Kadapa to Bangalore, so I can give like departure city as a Kadapa and destination city as a Bangalore. Somebody they can travel from Kadapa to Hyderabad, so they can give departure city as a Kadapa and destination city as a Hyderabad. So ఇవన్నీ ఎందుకు సోది అంటే, so each and every guy whoever accessing this particular application, so they can give the multiple inputs. Okay, they can choose, so వాడి ఇష్టం ప్రకారం they can choose the departure city and destination cities. బట్ మనం స్క్రిప్ట్లో రికార్డ్ చేసేటప్పుడు మనకు ఒకటే ఉంటుంది ఇక్కడ. సో పోర్ట్లాండ్, లండన్ ఇవి 2 మాత్రమే ఉన్నాయి. ఓకే, సో సేమ్ స్క్రిప్ట్ని మనం 100 మంది యూజర్స్ అయితే 100 మందికి, 1000 మంది అయితే 1000 మందికి అప్లై చేయకూడదు. సో వాట్ యూ నీడ్ టు గివ్, యూ నీడ్ టు పాస్ డిఫరెంట్ ఇన్పుట్స్. Okay, some people they can choose the Portland, some people they can choose like Boston, some people they can choose Paris, some people they can choose Mexico City, like that different inputs we need to pass. Okay, ఎలా పాస్ చేసాము దాన్ని అంటే, సో వీ నీడ్ టు యూజ్ ద కొరిలేషన్ టాపిక్ ఓవర్ హియర్ అండ్ వీ నీడ్ టు హ్యాండిల్ దిస్ డ్రాప్ డౌన్. ఓకే, how you can handle the drop down and all I will tell you now. Okay, so using correlation topic what we can do, so we can handle this dynamic values. Okay, we can handle this instead of calling this as a dynamic value, you can call this as a drop down. Okay, so you can handle this one. How you can handle that one? Okay, see, so whenever you have launched your application, okay, so whenever you have launched your application, in the response you are seeing the departure city and destination cities, right? So therefore from this response you need to capture the departure city and destination cities. Okay, లేదు నాకు అర్థం కాలేదు అంటే what you can do, simply go to here, copy the Portland. Okay, so copy the Portland from here. Okay, so copy this Portland, go to recording time log and search for the Portland here in the recording time log. Click on the search. Okay, see here పై నుంచి రండి, టాప్ నుంచి. ఓకే, see here 16th is highlighted and 20 is highlighted, 24th is also highlighted. So what it mean, so that particular word Portland, it is present in 16, it is present in 20, it is present in 24 as well. Okay, so where you need to capture this Portland, so always you need to capture the Portland from the first box. ఓకే, ఎక్కడైతే హైలైట్ అవుతుందో సో అక్కడి నుంచే క్యాప్చర్ చేయాలి, ఫ్రమ్ ద ఫస్ట్ బాక్స్, రైట్? So click on that first box. Okay, click on the response data, click on the response body. Here we have been enabled the browser. Instead of the browser, go with text. Okay, I am choosing text. Okay, so now search for your Portland in the response body. Okay, click on the find. See, so you are getting the Portland over here. So what it mean in the request number 16? So your destination city or departure city it is generating over here. So what we need to do now? So we need to capture the city from here. So ఇక్కడ నుంచి మనం సిటీని క్యాప్చర్ చేయాలి. How you can capture it? Okay, so using the boundary extractor or using regular expression extractor, you can capture it. But using boundary extractor, you cannot capture this one. So therefore what we can do? So we can use the regular expression extractor to capture so these values. Okay, drop down values and all. Okay, so let me show you how you can capture that one and all. Okay, so first I will explain the regular expression extractor. Okay, so regular expression దేనికి యాడ్ చేయాలి in our case? So in our case we need to add the regular expression to request number 16 only. Why? Because in that request only we are getting the Portland. ఓకే, ఎక్కడైతే మీకు సర్చ్ రిజల్ట్స్ వస్తుందో ఏ రిక్వెస్ట్లో అయితే వస్తుందో సో టు ద సేమ్ రిక్వెస్ట్ వీ నీడ్ టు యాడ్ ద రెగ్యులర్ ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్ ఎక్స్ట్రాక్టర్. ఓకే, గో టు ద స్క్రిప్ట్. ఓకే, దిస్ ఈజ్ అవర్ స్క్రిప్ట్. Click on the request number 16, right click on it, mouse over onto the add. Here you can see post processor. Okay, up to yesterday we have been discussed about the boundary extractor. Under that only you can see regular expression extractor. So choose this regular expression extractor. Okay, I have added this regular expression extractor over here. Okay, so if you want to rename this regular expression extractor, yes you can rename it. So how you can rename? Regular expression extractor underscore. So what you are capturing here? So let us assume you are capturing the departure city. So just give depart city over here. That's all. Okay, so I have given the rename as name as regular expression extractor underscore departure city. So why? Because I am going to capture the departure city now. So that's why I have renamed this regular expression as regular expression extractor underscore departure city. Depart city. Comments you can ignore it. So apply to and field to check, those two are common to your what we call the boundary extractor and regular expression extractor. For both those are common. See, this is the boundary extractor which we have been discussed yesterday. Apply to and field to check, those two are common. See, apply to field to check. So there is no changes in that property. Okay, same thing. So okay, so coming to regular expression, this is name of the created variable. So you can write anything. I am giving like c underscore. I am going to capture the departure city. So therefore I have written like depart. Okay, city I am writing. Okay, I have written depart city. If you want to write anything, you can write over there as a created variable or exported variable. మీరు ఏమైనా రాసుకోవచ్చు. But here I am giving the meaningful name. Okay, why I have given c underscore? I am doing the correlation, right? So therefore I have given c underscore. C means correlation. Okay, so departure city, why I have given? I am capturing the departure city. So therefore I have given the name as departure city. Depart city over here. Okay, so next under that you can see a regular expression. So what is this regular expression? How I can write the regular expression? Okay, so whenever you are using regular expression extractor, so we need to write one regular expression to capture the value. So ఏ వాల్యూ మనం క్యాప్చర్ చేయాలనుకుంటున్నాము? సో వీఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు క్యాప్చర్ దిస్ వాల్యూ Portland, right? సో కాపీ దిస్ రెగ్యులర్ ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్, కాపీ దిస్ లైన్ ఫ్రమ్ హియర్. ఓకే, సో ఆప్షన్ వాల్యూ Portland something, you can copy that from here and open the notepad. Okay, so open the notepad and you can paste that in the notepad. Okay, so this from this line, so which we need to capture? So we need to capture the Portland. Okay, so మరి ఇక్కడ రెండు పోర్ట్లాండ్లు ఉన్నాయి కదా, సో విచ్ ఐ నీడ్ టు క్యాప్చర్. ఓకే, సో యూ కెన్ క్యాప్చర్ దిస్ వన్ ఆర్ యూ కెన్ క్యాప్చర్ దిస్ వన్. ఓకే, ఎనీథింగ్ యూ కెన్ క్యాప్చర్, బట్ దెర్ ఈజ్ ఏ మీనింగ్ ఫర్ దట్. ఓకే, సో వాట్ ఈస్ ద మీనింగ్ ఫర్ దట్? ఓకే, లెట్ మీ టెల్ యూ. Here you can see in between the tags you can see, right, /option. Whenever you have seen such kind of thing over here, let me copy. Same these many inputs you can see. So అన్నిట్లో చూడండి మీరు at the end you can see /option Okay, slash option, everywhere you can see slash option. So what it means, okay, this is the drop down values. These and all are the drop down values which are present in a single drop down. ఒక్క డ్రాప్ డౌన్ లో ఉన్న వాల్యూస్ అన్ని. సో అట్ ద ఎండ్ యు ఆర్ సేయింగ్ లైక్ in between the tags you are saying like slash option. So it mean that, so that is the drop down. Okay, from the drop down you are selecting the input. Okay, what you have selected, Paris you have selected, so that will present in the double quote. Okay, from the drop down you have been selected Philanthropia, so that will present in the double quote. Okay, from the drop down you have selected Boston, that will present in the double quotes. Okay, from the drop down you have selected Portland, that will present in the double quote. So like that, whatever the value you have selected from here, this is the, it will indicates that this is the drop down. Okay, slash option will be there means not only here, everywhere, any application wherever you are working. Okay, slash option will be there means it will indicate the drop down. Okay, so from the drop down you have chosen the Portland and that is present in the double quote here. So therefore either you can capture this Portland or you can capture this Portland which is in double quote, anything is fine. Okay, how you can capture this Portland and all? Okay, let me show you. Okay, so how to write the regular expression? Okay, this is very important. Regular expression, people they will use regular expression only in the real time. Okay, they do not use boundary extractors and all. Okay, so yeah, so let us assume I want to capture this Portland. So let me copy this entire line and you can paste over here. Okay, paste over here like this. So which one you need to capture? So you need to capture the Portland which is in double quotes. Simply what you can do, you can delete that one. Okay, so you can delete that one and keep parenthesis open. Parenthesis means open bracket. Dot plus, okay, question mark, parenthesis close. Parenthesis means closed bracket. Okay, bracket. Okay, so see, open bracket, dot plus question mark, closed bracket. So in the interview you don't call like open bracket, closed bracket like that. Open parenthesis and closed parenthesis. Okay, so dot plus question mark, this syntax you should give. Okay, see, this is the regular expression which you can use to capture the Portland. So let me copy this and let me test it. Okay, మీ regular expression రాశారు to capture the Portland. So whether it is working fine or not, who knows? Okay, let me show you. Okay, so here you can see text, right? Go with there and choose regular exp tester. మన boundary extractor tester వాడినాం కదా, like the similar way you can use regex tester. Okay, regexp tester. So whatever the regular expression you have been written in the notepad. Okay, so in the notepad you have written the regular expression, right? So copy this regular expression from here and you can paste over here. Okay, control V and click on the test. Don't click on the enter button, click on the test. You can see here match count, you can see 1. So we are able to capture this Portland. Okay, but that is not correct. So Portland ఒకటే కాదు కదా, you can see here there are many inputs over here. See, ఇన్ని ఇన్పుట్స్ ఉన్నాయి, మనం ఇన్ని ఇన్పుట్స్ నుంచి క్యాప్చర్ చేయాలి, అన్నీ క్యాప్చర్ చేయాలి. ఓకే, సో వీ నీడ్ టు క్యాప్చర్ ఆల్ ద ఇన్పుట్స్, నాట్ సింగిల్ ఇన్పుట్. ఓకే, సో ఐ వాంట్ టు క్యాప్చర్ ప్యారిస్, ఐ వాంట్ టు క్యాప్చర్ ఫిలాంథ్రఫియా, ఐ వాంట్ టు క్యాప్చర్ బోస్టన్, లైక్ దట్ ఐ నీడ్ టు క్యాప్చర్ all the values. So now what you can do, simply you can ignore this Portland as well from here. Okay, ఈ పోర్ట్లాండ్ ఉంది కదా, అది కూడా తీసేయండి. సో నౌ again same syntax whatever you have been given here, dot plus question mark surrounded by open and closed parenthesis. Okay, let me show you here. Okay, so you copy any one of the thing from here and you can paste over here. Okay, remove this sandigo. Okay, so keep dot plus question mark. Okay, so and here also one more sandigo is there, right? You remove that one and keep dot plus question mark. That's all. Now this is the syntax which you can use to capture any value. Okay, so any value from the drop down you can capture. See, just click on the test now. Okay, so something is missing here. Option dot. Okay, let me check. Space is the issue. Okay, see, one extra space is there. seeing, right? There is an extra space. See, so నేను పేస్ట్ చేసినప్పుడు ఒక స్పేస్ ఎక్కువ ఉన్నింది. ఓకే, బికాస్ ఆఫ్ దట్ ఇట్ ఈస్ షోయింగ్ లైక్ మ్యాచ్ కౌంట్ ఈస్ 0. నౌ see, getting right? So now you can see match count is 14. Okay, so match count 14 ఎందుకు చూపిస్తా ఉంది? Let me tell you. Okay, here I will show you. See, Paris, how many times it is there? 2 times. Philadelphia, how many times it is there? 2 times. Boston, how many times it is there? 2 times. Portland, how many times it is there? 2 times. San Diego, how many times it is there? 2 times. So each and every city 2 times it is present. So therefore 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 7 into 2 14. You can see match count is 14. Okay, so now you want to capture the first city always. What you can give? Match count you can give as a 1. So therefore always it can capture the Paris. Okay, so if you want to capture the Philadelphia every time, you can give the match count as 2. So therefore every time it will capture the Philadelphia. Okay, so like that you can give based on your requirement. You can change the match count. I will show you that how you can do that and all. Okay, so now this is the regular expression. Okay, how you can write and all. So any doubt from anybody about this regular expression, please let me know. So why? Because that is important, regular expression. Okay, so ఏం చేసాం మనం? Okay, any doubt from your end, so that I can proceed to next.
హలో సార్.
Yeah, భాస్కర్.
సార్ ఈ సింటాక్స్ ఇంకా స్టాండర్డా సార్ మనకి?
స్టాండర్డ్ అండి. మీరు ఎక్కడైతే మీరు వాల్యూ అనేది క్యాప్చర్ చేయాలనుకుంటారో ఆ వాల్యూ తీసేయాలి. యూ కెన్ యూస్ డాట్ ప్లస్ క్వశ్చన్ మార్క్ సరౌండెడ్ బై బ్రాకెట్స్.
ఓకే.
యా, సో నిన్న మనం జేసెస్ ఐడి కూడా చూసాం కదా, దానికి కూడా మీరు వాడచ్చు ఇలాగే. ఓకే, సో నో నీడ్ టు యూజ్ యువర్ బౌండరీ ఎక్స్ట్రాక్టర్ అండ్ ఆల్. యూ కెన్ గో విత్ రెగ్యులర్ ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్ ఓన్లీ. ఓకే, యా, సో if you want I will show you. Okay, no problem. Okay, so follow the same syntax. Okay, so where is, yeah, so now copy this regular expression from here and go to your script. Okay, paste your regular expression over here. Okay, this is our regular expression. Here you can see dot plus question mark, you can see 2 dots. Let me go to full screen modes. Okay, everybody go to full screen mode so that you can visualize in better way. Okay, here you can see dot plus question mark. This is group 1 and this is the group 2. We are having 2 groups now. Okay, so this is the group 1 and this is the group 2. So which one you need to capture? In our case you can capture either this one or you can capture this one as well. Why? Because those 2 names are same only. Ikkada meer chuste, okay, so here this is the group 1. Paris is the group 1 which is not in double quote. That is the group 2. So with the Paris which is in double quote, that is the group 1. Okay, this is the group 2. Okay, Philadelphia which is in double quote, so that is the group 1. And here also we have one more Philadelphia, that is group 2. Okay, so దీన్ని కంపేర్ చేస్తే, let me show you. This is the group 1 ante Paris is group 1 and this is the group 2. Okay, so Paris is group 2. You can capture anything in our case, both are names only, right? So both are the names only. You can capture anything. This one you can capture or you can capture this one as well. Okay, so both are same only. So therefore what you can do, so you can give $1. Let us assume you wanna capture the second one. Second capture cheyali anukunte what you can give $2 over here. Okay, $2. If you wanna capture first one, you can give $1. Like this you can give. Okay. In our case either you can use $1 or $2 you can use. 2 groups are similar, same statistics you can get. Okay, so next coming to match number, so already you are aware it, right? So if you wanna capture the first one, okay, so go to your drop down. So in the drop down you can see many inputs over here. If you wanna capture the first value, always Paris you wanna capture, then match number is 1. If you wanna capture the Philadelphia, match number is 2. If you wanna capture the Boston, match number is 3. If you wanna capture Portland, match number is 4. Like that, based on the match number we can capture the values from here. I want to capture randomly. Okay, I want to capture randomly. So then what you can do? So you can give the match number as a 0. So therefore the values will be captured randomly. Okay, let me show you over here. See, I am giving the random like 0 I have given randomly. Or else first I will go with 1. So then I will show random and all. So default value, this is not required. You can check this or you can ignore it, no problem. Okay, see, I am capturing, see, departure city. Okay, see, departure city I am capturing. So where you want to pass the departure city, in the next request you are passing over here. See, instead of this Portland, so you need to pass different inputs. Delete that Portland, dollar, flower bracket open, control V, flower bracket close. So what it mean? Here we are giving the input. Okay, so here we are giving the input by randomizing the cities. Okay, yes, sir, Meru, you are capturing the departure city using regular expression extractor and you have given the match number as a 1. So therefore every time the first value will be passed over here. What is the first value here? Paris. Every time the Paris will be selected. I will show you. Clear the data and run your test. Okay. Okay. So click on the second request and see. So what you are seeing. Okay. So what you have given? Paris. Go to request and see Paris, right? So Paris ఎందుకు వచ్చింది ఇప్పుడు? Why it is showing like Paris? So you have given the match count as 1, match number as a 1. Okay, so therefore what is the first value here in the drop down? That is the Paris. So Paris is selected. I want to capture San Diego. What is the match number for that? 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, you can give match number as a 5. Okay, so match number you can give like a 5. Okay, so now go to view result tree, click on the play button and see. Okay, okay, click on the request number 20. Here you can see San Diego. Okay, San Diego is captured. Okay, previously you can see Paris is captured. Why? Because at the time we have given the match number as a 1, so therefore Paris is captured. In our case I have given the match number as a 5, so therefore San Diego is captured. So let me give as random. Okay, so I am giving like random. Okay, don't use -1. That is not work in our case. Clear the data and run your test. See, Binunius Airs, it is captured. Okay, if you want to click one more time, so now see, randomly the input it may vary. So click on the request number 20. See, New York it is captured. Click on the again. Okay, and see, so randomly the values will be captured. Okay, see, Philadelphia it is captured. So why it is captured like that? So here in the match number you have given as a 0. So therefore every time the values are updating. So based on that input, మీరు ర్యాండమ్ ఇచ్చారు కాబట్టి సో randomly it is capturing the values from the drop down. Okay, so we have written the regular expression to capture the drop down values. Okay, so whatever the value you have been captured, that you are saving in the exported variable over here. So with the name c underscore departure city, so దాని లోపల సేవ్ అయింది. Okay, and how you are capturing it? Based on the match number. So you have given the match number as a 0. So therefore randomly it can pick any one of the value and it will be stored in this particular exported variable or created variable, and that value you are calling from the subsequent request. Next request nunchi you are calling here. How you are calling? So we are following one proper syntax for the dollar, flower bracket open, the name of the created variable. Okay, name of the created variable, whatever you have given in the regular expression extractor over here, you need to copy this one and you need to paste over here. Okay, paste over here and close the flower bracket. Okay, that's all. Okay, so like that you can do for the departure city as well. Destination city నేను ఎలా చేశానో using regular expression extractor, you can follow the same process for this London as well. Okay, what you can do, copy this London from here. Okay, go to recording time log. Okay, so already మనం Portland and move this one and go with text. Okay, go with text and clear the search results and all. Okay, reset it and now okay, go to top. Okay, so control V, we are searching for the London. Click on the search and see. Okay, see, first box it is highlighted at request number 16. So what it mean? In the request number 16 only, so we are having London. Okay, go to response data, go to response body, here paste the London. Okay, Okay, we are searching for the London, right? Paste the same thing over here and click on the find. You can see London is present over here. So from here, so what you need to do? So you need to capture the destination cities. Okay, same thing, whatever I have been explained so far. Follow the same process. Add the regular expression extractor and write the regular expression. Okay, so capture the things and you can pass that departure city over here. If you want, you can practice or else you can ignore it. So one thing is enough. Okay, when departure city ki destination city gaani departure city gaani either one thing you can handle, that is okay, no problem. Okay, so like the similar way, okay, like the similar way, so far we have been discussed like departure city, destination city, right? So click on the next request. ఇంకేం లేవు ఇక్కడ ఇన్పుట్ చూడడానికి. ఓకే, గో టు రిక్వెస్ట్ నెంబర్ 24. హియర్ యూ కెన్ సీ ఫ్లైట్ నెంబర్, ప్రైస్ అండ్ ఆల్, రైట్? యూ కెన్ క్యాప్చర్ దిస్ 43 యాజ్ వెల్. ఓకే, దీన్ని కూడా మనం ఏం చేయొచ్చు? సో యూ కెన్ కొరిలేట్ దట్ 43. ఓకే, యూ కెన్ కొరిలేట్ దిస్ ప్రైస్ నెంబర్, యూ కెన్ కొరిలేట్ దిస్ ఎయిర్లైన్. Okay, so you can correlate this port number and this one also. Okay, how you can do that? So let me show you this 43. Okay, flight number, copy this flight number from here. Same process and whatever I am explaining here, you need to follow the same process for the correlation. So మనం ఏం చేయాలి? Copy the number from here and go to your view results recording time log and reset your search. Okay, remove this London and all. Okay, remove that London and all. So search for that 43. Okay, so what you are doing here, you are searching for 43 in the recording time log. Click on the search. Okay, so click on the search and these other junks have been highlighted. See here, you can see there is a junk is highlighted by showing that 43. Okay, that is not related to our application. Click on the request and see incoming telemetry and all. Okay, so you no need to worry about that. First మీరు ఒకవేళ ఇలాగ మీకు ఐడెంటిఫై అయితే పైన కూడా సో మీరు చెక్ చేయండి, చెక్ ద రిక్వెస్ట్ బాడీ. ఓకే, సో రిక్వెస్ట్ బాడీ యూ కెన్ సీ ఇన్కమింగ్ టెలిమెంటరీ, దట్ ఈస్ నాట్ రిక్వైర్డ్. ఇన్కమింగ్ టెలిమెంటరీ, ఇమేజ్ పాకెట్, సో వీటిల్లో కూడా మనకి నంబర్ కదా, నంబర్ ఈస్ ప్రజెంట్ అవుట్ దేర్, యూ కెన్ ఇగ్నోర్ ఇట్. ఓకే, సో కమింగ్ టు ఇన్ అవర్ కేస్, సో యూ నీడ్ టు చెక్ ద బ్లేజ్ డెమో. ఓకే, so blaze demo only we need to verify. So blaze demo here. Okay, but this is the connection issue, this is, you can ignore it and come to this php 20. Okay, php 20 here you can verify. నా కన్ఫ్యూజన్గా ఉంది ఎలాగా అంటే యూ కెన్ వెరిఫై దట్. ఓకే, ఇప్పుడు నీకు ఇలా ఇక్కడ వచ్చింది. ఓకే, సో ఇక్కడ వచ్చింది, నీకు అర్థం కాలేదు ఇది దీనికి సంబంధించిందా కాదా అని. సో వాట్ యూ కెన్ డూ, యూ కెన్ గో టు రెస్పాన్స్ డేటా, యూ కెన్ గో టు రెస్పాన్స్ బాడీ, హియర్ search for 43. Click on the find. See, it is showing in red in color, so there is no 43 here. So click on the next request, search for the 43. Here there is no request, no that such kind of data on the. Click on the 43. See, so click the things and verify. Okay, ikkada ekkada ledu. Come to here, request number 20. Okay, here 43 we have. Click on the find. See, you can see over here, right? So it is highlighted over here. ఓకే, ఇక్కడ మీరు చూడొచ్చు ఇన్పుట్ టైప్. ఓకే, ఇన్పుట్ టైప్ హిడెన్ వాల్యూ 43 ఫ్లైట్. ఓకే, సో దిస్ ఈస్ ద నంబర్ విచ్ యూ నీడ్ టు క్యాప్చర్. 43 నేమ్ ఆఫ్ ద ఫ్లైట్, నేమ్ ఆఫ్ ద ఫ్లైట్ నంబర్. హియర్ యూ కెన్ సీ 43. సో దిస్ యూ నీడ్ టు క్యాప్చర్. హౌ యూ కెన్ క్యాప్చర్ దిస్? సింప్లీ వాట్ యూ కెన్ డూ, కాపీ దిస్ లైన్ ఫ్రమ్ హియర్. ఓకే, మనం 43ని క్యాప్చర్ చేయాలి, కాపీ దట్ లైన్ ఫ్రమ్ హియర్. ఓకే, సో వాట్ యూ కెన్ డూ, ఓకే, సో ఇన్స్టెడ్ ఆఫ్ టెక్స్ట్ go with regular expression tester. Go with regular expression tester and you can paste over here. Okay, so remove this 43 from here. Enduku, you need to capture 43, right? So remove the 43 from there. Okay, so parenthesis open dot plus question mark parenthesis close, that's all. Click on the test. Okay, see, you are able to capture the flight numbers, all the flight numbers you can capture. 43, 234, 96, 96, 12. See, ఓకే, ఎక్కడి నుంచి వచ్చాయి ఇవన్నీ నాకు తెలీదు అంటే యూ కమ్ టు ద బాడీ. సో క్లిక్ ఆన్ ద ఫైండ్ ఫ్లైట్స్. హియర్ యూ కెన్ సీ ఫ్లైట్ నంబర్స్ 43, 234, 96, 96, 12, 43, 46. See, you can capture all the flight numbers. Like the similar way you can capture all the airlines. Like the similar way you can capture all the prices. Okay, so you can capture all the prices as well. Now I want to capture is all the flight numbers. Okay, so what you can do, I have written the regular expression over here. See, so first I have been captured only one line. So ఇక్కడ ఏముంది మనకి 43 అని ఉంది, right? So here we have seen like 43 only. Click on the test. Okay, you can see only one match number you can see. Okay, That is not correct. Why? Because there are multiple inputs, like multiple flight numbers we have here. Okay, in our browser you can see multiple flight numbers, you can see 43, 234, 96, 96, 12. So everything you can see, many things you can see. Okay, ప్రతి ఒక్కడు పోర్ట్లాండ్ టు లండన్ ట్రావెల్ అయ్యేవాడు ఫ్లైట్ నెంబర్ 43లోనే పోవాలని ఏం లేదు. So they can choose 234, they can choose 9696, they can choose 12. So like that randomly they can choose. Okay, ఇందాక మనము ఎలాగైతే ఇన్పుట్ ర్యాండమ్గా ఇచ్చామో the city day names and all, like the similar way here the flight numbers also you need to choose randomly. Okay, so therefore what you can do, so go to here. Okay, so remove this 43 from here. Okay, so flower bracket open dot plus question mark parenthesis close. Okay, then next click on the test. See, okay, so we have been captured 43, 234, 9696, 12, 4346 we have been captured. Okay, okay, so now this is the regular expression. So copy this regular expression from here. Okay, so here request to రాయాలి మనం regular expression. To which request we need to write the regular expression? Can someone help me on this? Okay, ఏ request కు రాయాలి నేను?
20 requested, sir.
Yeah, so 20 request. Why? Because you are searching for the dynamic value in the request number 20. Request number 20 లో మనం వెతికాం. Request number 20 లో మీకు వచ్చింది. So therefore you need to write the regular expression for request number 20. Go to your script. So this is the request number 20. Right click on it, mouse over onto the add. Okay, post to processor, regular expression extractor. Okay, and what you are capturing here, flight number, right? So therefore underscore. Okay, you can give like flight number, FLIGHT. Okay, flight number I can give. Okay, so just I am giving the proper naming convention, that's all. Okay, so next, so regular expression already you have written, right? So regular expression you have already written. You copy this regular expression from here and you can go to where the regular expression and you can paste over here. This is the regular expression. And name of the created variable you can give like C underscore flight number. You are capturing the flight number, you can give flight number like this. Okay, flight number I have given. Okay, coming to group, here we have only single group. We are not using multiple groups over here. Okay, ఇంతకుముందు మనం చూసాం ఇక్కడ we have used the multiple groups here. Two groups I have been used here. So in our case we are having only single group here. Okay, single, దీన్ని grouping అంటాం. Okay, so single group we have. So therefore template we should give like $1. Okay, so next coming to match number, you are already aware. If you want to capture the first one, you can give as a match number as a 1. If you want to capture the second one, you can give match number as a second. So first number ante, so if you want to capture 43, yes, you can give match number as a 1. If you want to capture 234, you can give the match number as a 2. If you want to capture 9696, match number you can give as a 3. So like that you can give the match number. So I am going with randomly, so therefore I can give the match number. Okay, so default value you can ignore it. Okay, so this C flight number where you need to pass that in the next request. In the request number 24, here you can see 43 is there, right? You remove 43, dollar, flower bracket open, control V, flower bracket close. Okay, so that's all. Okay, like the similar way you need to follow. Okay, you need to capture the price number, airline. Okay, so these three also you can capture, and also you can capture the departure city, destination cities as well. Okay, so you can capture all things. ఇప్పుడు చూపిస్తాను చూడండి, ఫ్లైట్ నెంబర్ మీకు మారిందా లేదా తెలియాలి కదా. సో క్లియర్ ద డేటా and just click on the play button, so that okay, so 24, go to 24. Here you can see flight number 234. Click on again. Okay, so click again, so you can see okay, flight number see 9696. Okay, you're getting right. So click on the play button again. Okay, so the flight number it may change. See, okay, again 9696 only, 9696 again, see 9696. So clear it again, click on the play button and see. So randomly it can take any flight number and it will show you here. See 43. Click on the play button again. Okay, so see 234. Okay, like that the values randomly it can give, we can give by using this regular expression extractor. Okay, so if you want to capture this price number as well, you can capture. What you can do, copy this 4472.56, go to recording time log. So remove this 43 from here. Regular expression తీసేయండి టెస్టర్ పెట్టండి. Okay, so reset your search. Already you have searched, right? So search for that value 472.56. click on the search. Okay, see here పైన ఎక్కడ హైలైట్ అవ్వలేదు. So you can see request number 20 is highlighted over here. See request number 20. Go to that, go to the response data, go to the response body, search for the same value over here 472.56. click on the find. See here you are seeing, right? So input value, hidden value 472.56 price. Okay, copy this one. Okay, so now remove this, go with regular expression tester and paste over here. And what you need to capture, you need to capture this 472.56 dot plus question mark, close the parenthesis, click on the test. See, so there are 5 inputs. Why only 5? You go and you check in the browser. Okay, any prices ఉన్నాయి ఇక్కడ price 1, price 2, price 3, price 4, price 5. See, 5 prices are there. So those 5 prices can be captured by this regular expression extractor. See, 472.56. Okay, so 432.98, 200.98, 765.38, 233.98. See, we have captured all the flights. So add the one more regular expression over here. So right click on the request number 30. Okay, so add the regular expression. Okay, so whatever the regular expression you have written over here, copy this. Okay, so from here and you can paste over here. Okay, so if you want to rename, yes, you can give rename price. Okay, so you can give, and name of the created variable, exported variable, you can give like c underscore price, price you can give. And the match number, we are having only group, we are having only one single group, so therefore template I have given like $1. So match number you can give like randomized one, so I have given 0. Okay, so this one you can check that one. Okay, so C price, where you need to pass it in the next request, you need to pass over here. So remove this 472.56 from here. So bracket open, control V, or bracket close. That's all. So now go and run your test. Clear the data and just click on the play button. Okay. Yeah. So now go to here. See, 12,200. You can see, right? So again click on the play button. Okay. Request number 24. See, 12,472.56. Click on the play button. So randomly it can pick any value. Okay. So randomly it can pick any value. See, 9696, 756, 765.32. See, randomly the values it may change. Like the similar way, what you can do, so you can go with the airlines as well. Okay, airlines కూడా మనం correlate చేయొచ్చు. Okay, so this is how you can do the correlation on the drop downs. Okay, so based on your requirement you can do anything, any correlation you can do, but you need to identify so whether that is correlated value or not. Okay, so multiple times వస్తా ఉందా లేదా చెక్ చేసుకోవాలి. So whether that particular thing is coming in multiple times in the recording time log, so then correlation is required. So if it is not presenting at the multiple times, multiple areas at the time, correlation is not required for that. Okay, instead of going with boundary extractor, better you can use regular expression extractor only. So in real time, mostly we will use regular expression extractor only. We do not use the boundary extractor. Okay, we cannot use this boundary extractor in the real time. Okay, so if you want, I will show you the boundary extractor how you can use for the J session to capture the J session ID as well. So simply you can remove that ID and you just keep dot plus question mark, that's all. It will be captured from there. Okay, so anything you can capture from there. Anything from anybody on this regular expression extractor, any doubt so far? హలో, అర్థమవుతుందా? ప్రాక్టీస్ చేస్తానారా చేయట్లేదా? సో ఎనీ ఇన్పుట్స్ ఫ్రమ్ ఎవర్ అండ్ ఐ రిక్వైర్ యువర్ ఇన్పుట్స్ మోస్ట్ వెల్కమ్. Okay. Okay, fine. So practice that regular expression. So on HRM orange HRM module as well. So you can use the regular expression to capture any ID. Okay. So you can use anything. Okay. Okay. So if you want, I will show you. Okay. So I will show you. Wait. Okay. So toggle this. Add one more thread group over here. So thread group I have added. Let me rename it as thread group underscore one. Okay. I'm going to record. Okay. So to thread group one. Okay. So just click on the start button. Now I'm going with the orange HRM. Okay. So remove this choose flight. This is not required. Okay. So open your browser. Okay. So launch. I'm giving like T01 underscore launch launch. Okay. So where is our open source demo or in hrmlive.com? Okay. I am launching my application. Yeah. So next is login. So T02 login. Enter your username admin and the password is admin123. ADMIN123. Click on the login. Okay. So yeah, so the page is completely loaded. So now go with T03 underscore logout. ఓకే సో నేను ఎన్నిసార్లు చెప్పినా మీరు ప్రాక్టీస్ చేస్తేనే వస్తుంది లేదంటే రాదు ఓకే సో కీప్ దట్ ఇన్ యువర్ మైండ్ అండ్ ప్రాక్టీస్ అకార్డింగ్ టు దట్ ఓకే క్లిక్ ఆన్ ద స్టాప్ బటన్ go to your meter script and here you can see double click on that one and you can filter your transactions okay so T01 launch here you can see many inputs and all okay so you can start filtering the things and all okay incoming telemetry so not required I think okay so validate js and js so you know how to filter the things and all I have already posted what and all things and all you can delete from the script and all so launch okay next is login dot cs not required dot cs js common css 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 png you can delete these many things so next png gif js you can delete this next what is this open source or in hrm and the end there is js right you can delete this no problem next logout okay dot png we have you can delete it and this one is toggled so yeah so this is how you can filter your script okay so now what you can do so right click on the thread group add one listener okay so view result tree add the view result tree so now okay so just click on the play button and see what happening over here okay so that should fail right so that should fail here see why it is failing so you know that go to response data go to the response body and go here and go with browser so that you can see here on csrf token failed validation issue csrf token is failing okay so so you can see CSRF token validation failed. What is the CSRF token? Go to the request body. So this is the CSRF token. Copy the CSRF token from here and go to recording time log. On recording time log, you can search for that. Okay. So but go with next. Okay. So just click on the search. Okay. So you can see here. So you can see here. So here that is highlighted. So where it is generating request number 40. I think no. So here you can see first box here it is highlighted. Okay. మనం ఫస్ట్ బాక్స్ ఎక్కడైతే హైలైట్ అవుతుందో అది చూడాలండి నాట్ ద అప్కమింగ్ బాక్సెస్ అండ్ ఆల్ హియర్ you can see launch number 15. Go to the response data, go to the response body. Here you can search for the same. Okay, I'm searching for the dynamic value over here. Click on the find. You can see. So my CSRF token, it is generated over here. So this is the token. So copy this token from here and add the regular expression. To which request I need to add? Request number 35. You can see we are searching in the request number 35. So there only we have seen the dynamic value is present. So therefore request number 35. So we should add the regular expression extractor. Okay, add the regular expression extractor, and whatever the line you have been copied, you can paste over here. Okay, you can paste over here. So which one you need to capture? So you need to capture this one, double quotes lo emundo. So that you need to capture. Remove that one. Okay, put parenthesis open dot plus question mark parenthesis close. That's all. This is the way how you can handle the value. Okay, and the name you can give like C underscore CSRF token. Same process you can follow. Okay, so give the CSRF token, copy this one, and you can paste over here. I am renaming it CSRF token. Okay, so so I am using only one group. So therefore template I can give like $1. Okay, so match number I can give like a 1. So here there is no chance to use randomized and all. Okay, so we can give 1. Okay, so copy this exported variable, and where you need to pass that exported variable in the next request here, right? So here, so control A, delete this. Okay, dollar flower bracket open, control V, flower bracket close. That's all. Okay, so this is the way how you can handle it. So clear your data and run your test now. So ఇప్పుడు కూడా fail అవుతుంది. Why? Because we have not added the cookie manager and cache manager. So add the cookie manager and cache manager to your test plan and see. So go to config element, add the cookie manager, and right click on the test plan, go to config element, add the cache manager. So make sure that you have been checked this each iteration on both. Okay, so now drag these two and drop on the top side. Okay, on the top. Okay, so drag this and drop below the test plan. Okay, so now click on the view results tree, just click on the play button and now see. Okay, see, now there is no failure. Okay, now the script is working fine. So ilaga meeru, so you can use the boundary extractor or you can use the regular expression extractor to capture the any value, any dynamic value, any name you can capture. Okay, anything you can capture using regular expression extractor, but you should be thorough with that. So from where I need to capture, so ekkadi nunchi capture cheyali, that you need to find out first. Okay, so from where I can capture, that you need to figure it out. Ekkadi nunchi capture cheyali nenu, ela capture cheyali, so that you need to know. So then only you can find the, you can capture the dynamic values and all. If not, you cannot capture it. Okay, so you cannot capture it. Okay, so yeah, so simply what you can do, so మీరు ఎక్కడి నుంచి క్యాప్చర్ చేయాలనుకుంటారో, I wanna capture this Paris. Simply remove that Paris. What you can do, so enter dot plus question mark that is surrounded by open and closed brackets. Okay, if you wanna capture Boston, simply what you can do, remove this Boston from here, remove this Boston, and parenthesis open dot plus question mark parenthesis close. In the interview, the people they will ask you, okay, what is dot, what is plus, what is question mark, they will ask you. Dot is nothing but it will replace any single character. Okay, so what you are capturing here, let us assume you are capturing Paris. So what it will do, dot it can replace any character like P, A, R, any character it can capture. Coming to plus, it will capture multiple characters like P, A, R, I, S, like that, multiple characters it can capture. Coming to question mark, that will indicate the occurrence, a occurrence. What is the position of the dynamic value? First position, second position, third position. So what is the position of your dynamic value? So that is the meaning of dot plus question mark. Dot means single character, plus means multiple characters, question mark is occurrence. That you should remember, and you need to explain that thing in the interview. The people they will ask you, okay, why you are using regular expression. So which regular expression you are using to capture the dynamic values, or for correlation which function you are using. Okay, so these are the repeatable questions they are asking in the interview. Okay, how you can do the correlation in the JMeter. Okay, which function you are using, which expression you are using. Okay, So what is the significance of dot? What is the meaning of plus? What is the meaning of question mark? Can you please explain? So these are all the questions they will ask you in the interview on this regular expression. Okay. So and some scenarios they will share like this. ఇలాగా ఒక లైన్ షేర్ చేస్తారు మీకు. ఓకే, ఇన్ ద చాట్ బాక్స్. సో దే విల్ షేర్ వన్ లైన్ లైక్ దిస్. ఓకే, సో ఇలాగా మీకు ఇక్కడ పేస్ట్ చేస్తాను మీకు ఇలాగ చాట్ బాక్స్లో. కెన్ యూ ప్లీజ్ సీ ద చాట్ బాక్స్ అంటారు. ఓకే, చాట్ బాక్స్లో చూసినప్పుడు ఇలాగా ఉంటుంది లైన్. ఓకే, సో దే విల్ ఆస్క్ యూ టు రైట్ ద రెగ్యులర్ ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్ టు క్యాప్చర్ ద ప్యారీస్. నేను ప్యారీస్ క్యాప్చర్ చేయాలనుకుంటున్నాను. సో కెన్ యూ ప్లీజ్ రైట్ ద రెగ్యులర్ ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్ ఫర్ దిస్ అంటారు. సో అకార్డింగ్ టు దట్ వాట్ యూ కెన్ డూ, యూ కెన్ రైట్ ద రెగ్యులర్ ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్. ఓకే, సో యూ షుడ్ బీ thoroughly practiced from your end. Okay, then only you will come to know and you can answer the things in the interview. Okay, yeah, so this is about the regular expression, and regular expression is very very important in the interview. I mean, not only in the interview, so in real time also we will use regular expression only. We do not use boundary extractor. Okay, instead of using the boundary extractor, left boundary, right boundary and all, so the people they are interested to use this regular expression. Okay, so that's why this regular expression is most popular than other, okay, other extractors. Okay, so any doubt from your end you can ask me. So I am stopping here for the day.